Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can create your own personalized bug tracking team as a project in your Jira site. For example, if you'd like to create a project like this with your team members to work with them on bugs you report within your project like this. And I'm going to show you exactly, guys, how to create tickets like that, a new bug ticket here inside your bug tracking team on Jira, step by step. But first things first, guys, let us dive right into it and show you how you can create such a project. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to your Jira site, of course. To do that, head over to Google or to Jira directly. You may also use one of these links here and head over to the Jira site, log into your account. And guys, here you may select your current Jira site. If you don't see it here as default, click into looking for a different site, or you may create a completely new one. So click into this button here, and that is going to redirect you to your Atlassian home feed. So here to the left, you will see all Atlassian related applications such as Trello and Jira. So click into Jira here and select one of your sites. As you can see, I've created quite a lot of them for various tutorials. So let me go with this one here. So what you want to do inside your site, guys, is simply expand the projects list here to the left. As you can see, I've already created a bug tracking team like this. So what you want to do is click into it and select the given bug tracking team. If you haven't created any of that yet, simply click into that plus button here, create project. And after that, what you want to do is switch from made for you to, let me find it here, software, under software development. And under software development, skip the Kanban and Scrum boards. And instead of that, scroll all the way down till you get the bug tracking template here. So click into it. After that, you may read through that explanation if you like. For example, how to identify and capture bugs if you're interested in this, and how to assign tasks and so on and so forth to track bugs within your project. So it is actually very simple, guys. You can use this template by clicking into this button or that one. So let me do that really quickly. And after that, you will be redirected to a short project customization. So give it a name like my bug tracking team 2, because I've created already the first one. You will see the key below. Of course, you can customize it according to your own imagination. For example, you may rename it if you like, but I will leave it at that. And once that's done, guys, simply click into create project here. Now, what you want to do next is invite project members to your, as you can see, the project has been created, to your bug tracking team. You may do that by clicking into this button or field here and simply enter the name or the email address of the Jira user you would like to invite. You may also assign a role here below, like now I will need to invite someone first, but if you invite someone, guys, you will be given the opportunity to expand that list by clicking into the drop-down menu and invite someone already as an admin to give him or her admin rights, or as a regular member, or as a viewer, or as a guest, and so on and so forth. Now you can do that also later and invite team members to your project anytime. I'm going to skip this for now. And that's basically it. As you can see, your bug tracking team has been successfully created. You can access it through the list of your projects here to the left, or alternatively, guys, click into more projects here, select view all projects, and from here, let me just close that window here. From here, you can navigate through all of your Jira site projects. So which one was it? It was that one here. So click into it, or click into these three dots here to access its project settings, to archive the project, to move it to trash. So let us head over to the project settings first before we create our first bug report. So inside your settings, guys, here you may customize your bug reporting team or project. For example, rename it, choose or assign a category, and so on and so forth. You may invite users to it, add various features, customize work items like types, such as, for instance, epics, tasks, and so on and so forth, like that one in your bug, for example, if you'd like to report problems or issues within your project. So that's probably the most commonly used, or is going to be the most commonly used work item within your bug tracking team, but you can use any of these as well. So what you want to do, guys, is head over or head back to your project overview here and select your view first. Now you can go with a report view, for instance, to track the progress of your reported bugs or issues, as you can see. through various charts and diagrams like pie chart reports and average age reports, cycle time reports, and so on and so forth. You may also go with other views like you do with any other projects like Kanban projects and Scrum boards, like list views, for instance, or for example, you may assign various goals, forms. Now, some views may be missing here in the bug tracking team in comparison to, for example, my Kanban project. So, for instance, here in my Kanban project, you will see a board view, calendar view, the backlog view. Those may be missing in the bug tracking view. If you'd like to add some more views, guys, simply click into that plus button here to the right and select the views you would like to add. But some of them may be missing here because the bug tracking project is different from other project types like Kanban or Scrum boards. So that's it. So if you'd like to add your first bug report, guys, let us head over to the list view, for example. Simply click into create work item here or into that plus button. So click into this, and after that, you will be redirected to that window here to add your new bug report. Now, you want to select bug as a work type here. In your bug tracking team, it will be probably the default type, but if for some reason it's not, guys, like for example, instead task or something or any other work item, simply switch to bug here. And that's basically it. You may set also a starting status. If you haven't started the given bug report yet, select to do, but you may also switch directly to in progress and review or done. And give your bug report a name like, I don't know, serious scrolling error or something like that. And yeah, that's basically it. You may assign also a parent task below. Now I can't do that right now because I haven't created any work items yet, but once you have added a couple of these work items and issues to a bug tracking team, you will be given the opportunity to assign them to various parent tasks and to make them subtasks or sub-items, for instance. So you may describe your bug report below here. Use that text field here. You may add, for instance, a numbered list, a bulleted list. You may customize your text using a different color. You may add, for example, action items, insert links, add various media like images, videos, descriptions, PDF files, documents to give your team members who are working on the bug report more instructions or helpful tips and guidelines and all of that stuff. You may set a priority here, like if it's a serious bug, I would switch from medium to high or even highest so that my team members start working on it immediately. Assign a team, for instance. So let me assign that custom team I created for demonstration purposes, and so on and so forth. Now, what about labels, guys? You may create labels yourself. Simply click into that field here, and if you'd like to label the bug as serious or urgent, simply enter or type in the label here, press enter, and that is going to create the label. So from now on, you can assign that label also to any future work items or issues within your Jira site, and so on and so forth. Set an original estimate here. A start date, of course, is very important. Click into that calendar here. I'm going to start on that bug report, start working on that bug report tomorrow, Wednesday, 24th September. And that's it. You can describe your environment. And here, guys, again, like in that description at the top, you'll be given the opportunity to attach files like useful guides, guidelines, PDFs, etc., etc. Set a due date, another pretty important metric. So let us work on that bug report for a week. And yeah, that's basically it. You may also link various work items, for example, select an action here like related to, and then select another work item within your Jira site to connect your bug report with it if that's useful or necessary. And last but not least, assign someone to work on that bug report. Let me assign myself to it. And that's it. Click into create here to create your bug report. Wait for a brief moment, and there you go. Your bug report has been added. So now you can, for example, create a child work item, for example, to make this one that work item's parent item, and so on and so forth. And you will see all of these metrics here, the status, the assignee, the due date, the priority labels. You may add more fields of that, guys, by clicking into that button here in the top right. And for instance, add more of these columns, like let me go, for instance, with fixed versions or something like that, or a resolution, so that you know, or and your team member know that the given bug has been fixed or not, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, there's quite a lot you can do here. You can create a second bug report by clicking into this plus button here, select bug, and repeat the same process. Type in the name here, and once it has been created, click into it to customize it. Now guys, you can't access the given bug by clicking into its summary, but you'll need to click into the key here. That is going to redirect you to that detailed view of your bug report so that you can keep customizing it, add more fields to the details view here to the right. More fields here, for example, add comments, for instance, describe it, etc., etc. And last but not least, guys, if you'd like to share your work item, in this case that bug report, click into that button here and share it with your Jira team members, for example, or with externals by entering the email address, or simply enter the name or select the name of the given Jira user here. You may leave also a message or use that shareable link to invite externals to that bug report, clicking to share here. You may also delete the given bug report, move it to a different location, clone it, print it, and so on and so forth, export it as a Word file, XML. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you create a bug tracking team as a project to your Jira site and add also various bug reports to it. That's how you use it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.